Okay. Put it on the side. Lando, this one to the right. All right?
Daddy, can I take off my seatbelt?
Yes. Straight ahead, Lando. See the truck? See my truck over there? Keep on going straight. Good job. Little bit right.
Daddy, look.
Right.
Watch this.
Yeah.
I'm gliding the party.
Yeah.
Go.
Left. Let me slow it down for you a little bit. Let me slow it down. Now, take it. Right. Little bit right. Right. Keep that yellow line on your right leg. Left. Left. Little bit more. Little bit more left. There you go. Straight ahead. Right. Left. 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 Right.
Let go.
All right. If I'm going. Left. 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 Little bit more left. All the straight ahead. Left, left. Little bit more left. There you go. Easy. Okay. All right, let me help you out from here, okay? All right, now I need you to follow the checklist. Checklist.
Daddy, what does it say?
All right, parking brake.
What does it
You
say,
already have it.
Daddy?
Hold on, hold on.
Parking brake. Shut.
Throttle control. Hey, throttle control all the way back. All the way back. There you go. Now, electrical equipment off. Everything needs to be off over here. Alright, avionics, not yet. Avionics off. Those two. Mixture control. This one over here, all the way back. Push the button and back. There you go. Make sure magneto switch the keys. Turn the keys off. Put it over top of the panel. Master switch off. The red button. And this one to the middle. And control lock
Can I do that?
is on the left side.
Oh.
This
How
one,
do you do this? How do
Yeah.
you do it? How do you do it?
it goes over here. Right there.
Oh.
Let me help you. Go ahead, push it in. All the way in.
Daddy, why did we come back here?
Fuel selector valves.
Daddy, we already
I see.
came here.
Ah,
We already came here.
I know. We're going to bring the plane over here.